Kimiko!
You're okay!
Carly! Miss Sylvia! Please, please, please take me home! I hate it here! Huh? The skeletons are just nerds in costumes!
Kim, did you just say...
Nerds!
Flip-flop Falcon, fearsome fire fury.
Oh crap! Cut! With my final breath, I summon Isekai Academy's champion.
Our attacks aren't even slowing it down!
I learned the 7 wonders of Isekai Academy during their student orientation. Truckman can only be felled by the legendary silver capybara, but no one has ever been able to solve that shrine's puzzle.
What, this thing? What do we do with it? Shove it up Truck-kun's tailpipe? No, I just unlocked a new ability on my victory deck. I can channel our energy into it. Victory Siphon Kamen Club Combo! Dungeon Buster!
It's the 6th wonder of Isekai Academy, freed from his enchantment. White Mage Dungeon Badger! That's how the 4 Heavenly Academy Kings say I owe you a favor.
So what were the other wonders of Isekai Academy, Kimmy?
Does one of them explain how to recharge my victory deck?
Well, most of them were in rhyme and about hidden treasure, so I wasn't really paying attention. Oh, but there is one that I do remember. All new students must join a club on their first day or be cursed. I did overhear some gossip. Oscar's Fabled 4 are in an arms race for students. They're ramping up their recruitment tactics.
Oh, way too tired to care. All I want to do right now is...
Get to homeroom on time?
Severe dress code violation.
I'm in so much trouble.